Hey dear friends, welcome to Olfy, your one-stop shop for learning whatever it is you want to learn. Be it a new certification that you want to take, learn about a new cuisine. Just browse for what you are looking for here, and if it meets your needs, give it a shot. If you can't find a course or the desired training you are searching for, drop us a message. We will get back to you in a few days and do everything we can to bring you the videos to help you get your course. Also, if you have a desire to teach and have a skill or course that you would like to publish on Olfy, sign up as an instructor, create your profile, upload your resume, and share your course and videos that would be part of your course. We will validate your information, and in a couple of days, you will be able to start teaching your course and market your brand and attract a larger crowd. We want your Olfy experience to be the best, and we will continue to incorporate your feedback to make our content better. This is Olfy online learning for you. Let's get you reach your goals. Look us up on YouTube. Our app is launching soon. Stay tuned.